day number 4 on the How Good Is Our Food in Malaysia tour.
This is, I know I say this every single time. This is really good. Surprise, surprise, really tasty. Malacca, and we've arrived at our hostel, Ringo's Foyer, so we're going to go in and check it out and see what's it all about.
Turn to me. Let me clear every path. My dear, we will steer you through the ozonosphere. Way up high, where the rainbow sets sighs. That's where courage lies. When you're busy growing up, know that I'm right here.
Do you know what type of snake this is?
Yes, sour bahasa Inggeris apa? Ular sour.
Have you done this with the stick?
No.
First time?
Yeah, first time.
Well done.
First time.
So there's our first encounter with a snake.
They're probably going to go and put it in with a bit of noodles and onions now.
Good morning, Lucia.
Good morning.
How are you feeling?
I am good, rested, ready to get back on the bikes. Hello.
We've managed to get ourselves into a bicycle festival. Good day, hello.
It's for community for all bicycle rally.
Right.
Malaysia, all of Malaysia come here.
Oh,
Some from
fantastic.
Indonesia.
That's really cool.
Thanks a lot.
Does this happen like once a year?
No, not once a year, about 2 months, one time.
Really?
Yes.
It's good fun. Gets
Yep.
everybody out.
Yep.
You seem to be enjoying it.
Yes.
This is amazing. It's one way to cycle through the city. England.
Why England?
Yeah.
I am from Bandung,
Ah,
Bandung, Indonesia.
yeah. Look, the flag. It's huge. That's amazing.
Yes, I am. This, I say sorry, Baduy.
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 Very Jawa, Sunda.
It's very nice.
Yes, yes.
So me and Lucia were leaving the city and we just stumbled across this huge bike festival. What are the chances?
Amazing. This is our escort out of Malacca.
Right, that is the end of our cycle festival. We need to get on the road. But it's been good. great way to leave Malacca.
Thank you from Malaysia.
Thank you from England.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are you feeling, Lou?
Fine. Wait. It's good.
Roti King.
Hey! Yang montel tu boleh?
From Denmark ke Jerman ke? Asal. Macam you duduk Amerika ke, London ke? Where?
London, yeah, England, yeah.
England,
I'm so excited. I don't know if you know this, but we love roti.
It's true. Roti is becoming very quickly our favourite food in the world.
Roti
And then-
canai is good.
Roti. Is it good?
It's really good. Each place, their sauce is slightly different as well.
Yeah, home brewed, isn't it? You know what? It's just happening. So we've just been riding along this pretty busy road, but if we just look to my left, your right, really nice temple type building. Definitely makes us look like we're in Malaysia. If you look to the left, just look over here, we might as well be in England.